Netroj, my violin teacher, he used to be there. Okay, so keeping the violin in my hand, I was in my ninth standard. I used to walk in this street. This is called as the East Anjaneya Temple Street, Basavanagudi. Feeling very happy to share this video with you. Thank you all. Stay tuned. This is a road which I always cherish myself. When I was very young in my 10th standard, me and my dad, Sinappa, we used to walk in this road towards the Bugle Rock. Okay, as I said for you, during my 10th standard, we used to sit in this Bugle Rock, which I'll show you now. And we used to study here in front of that tree. That also I'll show you if possible. That is a Mallikarjuna temple. Dr. DVG, I admire him a lot. He's Mankutimana Kagga, which I was telling in my vlogs. A great poet. Okay, DV Gundapanavaru. Me and my wife, we are at the Bugle Rock. Okay, the great trees which I was telling. When I was in my 10th standard, this is a forest for me. This is where I learned the love towards nature. Okay, me and my dad, we used to come here along with the mathematics book in my hand. Okay, along with the lunch box, we used to sit in. Okay, and Sinappa used to teach me the mathematics. And this is a place where I spent all my joyful days, sorrowful days here, sitting alone. Okay, I remember we used to walk in this path. There's a small park there. Since it is evening, they have closed it. Okay, in this path we used to walk, and we used to sit in that small tree, which I'll show you later in my vlog. See how beautiful the nature is. Okay, this is where, as I said for you, I was attracted towards the beauty and vibrance of the nature. Bangalore is called the garden city. It is because of these beautiful gardens. Okay, Bangalore is called as the garden city of India. It is because of the parks like this. Okay, and we used to give the Bangaloreans, we used to give prominence to nature. We used to plant more trees, and whenever we used to walk from Tata Silk Forum to KR Market, you can see the huge trees covering the road. You feel as if you're walking in a mini jungle. Okay, and the huge trees. Okay, see how beautiful the nature is. Okay, and when you enter here, I always feel like I'm entering my wife's village in Cherlopalli. As you have seen in my vlog, I always love myself when I'm in nature. Okay, the big trees. The moment if you look up in the sky, you see only the sky and the trees. Okay, that is the power of nature. Nature has lots and lots of power and vibrance in it. So we need to protect the nature and save nature, and we have to plant more trees. Here is your Vishala Bharati in the Bugle Rock. This is a park where I was grown up. Okay, my 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. During my preparatory exams and public exams, I used to come here along with my father, sometimes alone with the books and myself, and I used to sit here and I used to prepare myself for my exams. Okay, our house was very small. Where we were staying, it was a small house. When lots and lots of relative comes, it was difficult for me to prepare for my exams. So I used to keep the books in my bag, and I used to come here and I used to prepare myself for my exams. Okay, this was a 5-star hotel, and this was a heaven for me. I grew in this nature, therefore I always love nature. I always admire nature. I'm proud that I'm from Baswannagudi, and I love Baswannagudi, and I love Bangalore, a lot and lot. I'm proud of it. Thank you all. will never end with this beautiful cup of coffee. This good shop, good coffee here. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Stay tuned. Do subscribe to my channel, Vishal Abudai Bharati.